Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new. Today's video, I'm doing this DIY strengthening deep conditioner on my hair. If you haven't checked out my latest protective styles / feed-in braids video I did, make sure you check that out. I'll put it in the cards above. But as I struggle to get this plastic bag off of my head, I'm going to tell you guys what the conditioner consists of. So I'm going to be mixing together mayo, egg, honey, and a little bit of coconut oil for my deep conditioner to apply to my hair. I want something to strengthen my hair before I protective style for my vacation. Now that I got that bag off my head, finally, I'm just going to go in and section my hair off. I don't know what I was about to say, but I'm just going to section my hair off so that it's easier to apply the conditioner all over. My hair has been shampooed and not really detangled, just shampooed. But here is that mixture that I told you guys about. It doesn't look like it's going to be enough, but it ended up being enough, and it smelled horrible. But I'm just going to take a little bit, and it spreads very easily. I noticed that as I was putting it on the first section, it spread fairly easy. So I didn't really need to use a lot on each section, but I'm just going to go in as I do any other conditioner or hair mask, and yeah, I'm just going to do that, work it in, and let you guys watch that. So I know you can see a lot of the residue from the conditioner on my hair. It looks very white, but despite that, it was actually getting into my strands. Maybe I used a little bit too much on this section, but it did get into my hair. I don't know if you can tell that my hair is curling up like at the roots, but my hair was really liking this conditioner. It wasn't moisturizing because that wasn't the purpose of this conditioner. That's not to say it didn't give me some moisture, but its main goal wasn't to moisturize my hair. However, it did provide my hair with a lot of strength. Like I could feel the difference in my hair as I was applying this conditioner, which I really, really enjoyed. After applying all the conditioner to my entire head, I just go on ahead and throw a plastic cap over my hair and then throw my 2 towels over top of that just to keep as much heat in as possible and so the conditioner can process better. Then after an hour, I'll be back to show you guys what my hair is looking like. This is what my hair looks like after about an hour of letting that conditioner sit, and as you can see, a lot of the white residue is gone from this side, you guys, meaning that the conditioner really penetrated my strands, which I was very pleased about. And also my hair felt very strengthened. Not sure how to further explain that. If you know, then you know. But as you're going to see on the other side of my hair, you see a little bit more of the white residue, and I'm thinking that's just because I did the other side first, so it had more time to process. However, I really enjoyed this conditioner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave me comments down below any other DIY conditioner recipes you have. And while we're talking about comments, I want to shout out Simply Saint because her comment really made me smile this week. It's the comment of the week, and if you want to be featured in next week's comment of the week, make sure you comment on my videos. So thank you. Shout out to you, Simply Saint. So that is all I have for you guys in this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you are not already, and hit that bell to be notified each and every time I post a new video. Also follow me on Instagram. Vacay pics are already up on Instagram, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye.